Alright, we should be live now. Give me a second. Give me a second here. I'm a little bit new to this whole thing here. Settings. Alright. Let's see. If I go to this. Alright. So this is this should be alright. If I swipe, will you be able to see? It's not actively. Okay, give me a second. I think I need to delete this. I'm fixing some stuff. Okay, this should be caught up now. Just fixing some stuff on the stream. Alright. So, for those of you who do not know, this is Epic Enchants. It's a mod I've been developing for a little bit, and it's one of my most popular mods, I'd say, on the platform. And this has basically been my child. This has taken me so long to design and develop. And hang on, actually, let me test the chat real quick. Test. Does it pop up on stream is the question. No, okay. It's okay. Let me see if it pops up on the stream. Oh, a sound came through, but the chat didn't pop up. So we're gonna fix that real quick. Widgets, chat box, source. Can it please understand? Okay. If I put the chat box up here, like, whatever. I think it's fine. Yeah, it doesn't pick up. Okay, it's fine. Oh wait, something. Oh, it does work. Okay, the chat works. Let's go. Okay. All right. So now that we are live and everything is working, I'm actually gonna plug in my phone here. This is how I can see the live chat, so I know when people are viewing and not. This has basically been a long time coming. I've been, if you don't know about my mod, it's basically been so basically this is what the cover for the new update is going to look like, and this is my mod. It adds a ton of different enchants to the game. They're like kind of basic, and if I go to gallery, there's all this stuff. But as you can see in versions, the newest version 1.2.1 is actually only added one enchant, Feather Landing, and that's because, as you can see here, I'm currently working on like a separate, this is the devlog which I'm doing today, which is a separate mod for it that can be for people who want a more modded feel and not like and less vanilla, which is what I want to keep it as. And so I'm trying to keep it like the base version can be for those who like vanilla style and stuff like that, but Modded, the more modded-esque is gonna add like different blocks and like items and stuff to make it more like modded. And so, hang on a second. Someone is trying to enter my room right now. So it'll try to keep it a more modded-esque feel. And actually, let me Shift Option D should segue. It does not work. Okay, I'm just testing to see if my stuff works. I need to change the chat cooldown. Why is that chat just like staying there? Settings. Hide delay. Don't always show messages. Okay, now the chat should be working. Anyway, sorry, I was a little bit off topic. So basically, I'm gonna be working on the Soulbound update, which is this one, and that's what I have open over here. So let's just get started. Now I instantly want to start off with a enchant because the enchants it's epic enchantment. So this is actually M Creator. I highly recommend it if you're like new to everything, like mod developing and like coding. This is very nice. And so if I do harvesting, this is gonna be the enchant that lets you collect souls. So now this is harvesting, and the enchantment weight, this is basically how rare it is. And I'm actually not sure, should I make this? I think you're only gonna be able to get this from enchantment tables. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Oh wait, can I make it theoretically like 0? Oh, it doesn't like it. Because I want to make it so it only generates in loot tables. I'll just make it super rare, I guess. There's only gonna be, how about, I don't know if anyone's viewing this, but if you're viewing this, let me know if I should make it that, the max enchant level, should it, like, have odds of getting a soul so that you can't just instantly, like, with harvesting, if you kill a mob with it, you'll instantly get, like, a soul, like, no matter what? Or should I have it, like, scale with the odds of it dropping a soul? Actually, it doesn't drop it, it gets imbued into the weapon. I have, like, a notebook here, if you can hear, with all these ideas that I have written down. And I actually didn't think about this one too much because I was gonna want your guys' input. And this one basically, I think for now I'm gonna stick with 1. Actually, I feel like it might be too overpowered if it's, I'm just gonna start with 3. Let's just say 3 for now. We could probably fix it later. And this is gonna be applied to a sword. Oops. Sword. I can actually just copy this for later. Should it be swords and axes? Because I want to only be like melee weapons. Or should I just, I don't know. That's why I need your guys' help on this, because my viewers are amazing and I need them to help me here. Oops. Alright. We got all these swords on here. I think I'm also gonna do axes just because. Oh shoot, it's gonna be like in between everything. Alright. Oh, I'm so smart. I'm actually so smart, guys. Did you see that? Alright, let's go through all the axes. Alright, that is not. I have to like, what? Triple click, what? Okay, I guess we're just doing that now. And there we go. I said that. You selected. Golly, that's kind of weird. Okay, we have all the weapons that can be applied to here now. And basically with this, we'll be able to supported slots. There's only going to be main hand, I think. Yeah. Enchantments. Okay, what's something that this should not be able to coexist with? And by coexist, I mean like be working with. Because, because you don't want it to be super. I think I might just leave it with nothing. Unless I could do, yeah, we'll just stick with this because it's supposed to be able to meld well with the original epic enchants, which is something I really want it to do. So we're gonna be trying to just keep it like where it can work well with the actual epic enchants. So we're gonna leave actually that nothing. The enchantment for anvil cost, so it's pretty rare. I'm gonna make it like 7 or 8, maybe 10. I'll keep it at 10. That's nothing. No protection. Wait. Oh wait, yes, that's exactly what I wanted. You can only find harvesting as a treasure. You can't get it on the enchantment table. That's exactly what I wanted. So then I might make it. Oh yeah, because that'll make it good. Because then it won't be super overpowered. You know what I mean? Because that'll be nice. And I can't tell if the other viewer is me, but I don't think it is. So if you're the other viewer, thank you for joining. This is kind of sad. There's like no one here, but it's fine. Okay. Let me see. Alright, so that's basically it for harvesting. I don't know, should I keep it at 3 levels? And just have it scale, because it can't get more souls, because it's only like 1 soul for each thing you kill. So I think I'm just gonna make it, like, the chance of it giving you a soul, like, higher. Okay, yeah. Because I don't want people just AFKing at farms and using this, if you know what I mean. So we're gonna keep that there. Okay, and now this is where things get a little bit complicated, is we're gonna want to add a procedure, and this is gonna be harvesting active. Is the same naming conventions I used in my other one. So let's say when I'm gonna have to stick with dies, yeah. Okay, so entity dies. So we're gonna have a source entity. So if you guys don't know what a source entity is, it's basically like the instigator of the action. So say like if an entity dies, the event / target entity, this one, would be this would be the guy that dies, but the source entity is like where the damage came from. So like we're gonna check that if the source entity has the enchantment harvesting, then do this and this and this, because then that's how we detect if it's active. So this is actually gonna be on entity, yeah, entity dies. And we're gonna do let me see if I can figure this out again. If we're gonna do some if statements, and now let's do entity data item. It's gonna be main hand of source entity, and we're gonna do it should be logic is the same item as, oh no, wait, no, that's not right, wait, it's gonna be data is it should have an enchantment, yeah, okay, here, yeah, okay, so then this is basically when an entity dies, if the person who killed them has the enchantment harvesting in their main hand. Why is it not letting me click that? Okay, then we're gonna be able to detect, oh, whoever just was watching left, that's so sad. Then we're gonna be able to detect like what it's like, what level it is. Here, let me just show you. So if I, oops, I did not mean to do that. So then if I do data get level of enchantment, yes. So now this is where we can detect what level, and then we can do math logic is equal to math 1 or 0. We're gonna get a flow control if do else. Actually, we're gonna make that else if, because there's only 3 levels, so we'll make it 3 else ifs. And then this is going to be up here if, and then we're gonna use this same thing we used up here, and say 1. We're gonna leave that there just in case we need it, and then duplicate, and then 2, and then duplicate, because there's 3 levels of the harvesting, so I want the odds to that it drops a soul to get higher and higher. So that'll be pretty easy. So now we can do, this is where it gets a little bit complicated, because this is gonna be delving into something I haven't delved into in a long time / ever, which is NBT data. So if we go actions, we should be able to, yeah, data number tag. So we're gonna have to make it I think this is going to have to, so we'll have to make this consistent, this text. That's probably case sensitive as well. So will I be able to get that as well? Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, okay. So I will be able to just get that, because this will basically be of the item stack here. So if I do this, we're gonna have to run a couple tests as well. So I'm also gonna have a how would I add a, hang on, would I be able to add a, yeah, remove copy data components, set damage, because I want to be able to add a tooltip, but I'm not sure if you can add tooltips to, hang on, wait, no, okay, wait, because I want, basically what my idea is when they get a soul, ooh, I cannot spell, okay, so basically when they get a soul, I want, like, it'll say like, oh, netherite sword, sharpness, whatever, harvesting, and then under here, like in between here, it'll say souls : blank, which is how many souls are in the sword currently. So I don't know how I would theoretically do that, because that'll be, you know what, I'm just gonna Google it. Oh, the procedure-based item descriptions, but that's for already. Oh wait. Oh, nice. Okay. So, oh wait, that's on tooltip rendering. We might have to. Wait. Hold on. So if we said on tooltip rendering, if it's looking over a sword with that so and so. Okay, wait. I might be able to do that. Hold on. Let me try this. I'm gonna leave that there. Oh, I can't. I'll just have to fill. I'll just fill everything because it won't let me save it if everything's not filled. Okay, so now I think if I do procedure, tip render. Okay. Wait. Oh wait, I have to install a plugin first. I'm actually so stupid. Okay, wait. Let's just save that for now, and I'm gonna have to close this workspace, and then I'm going to go get this plugin, which should be right here. All right. Now that should be downloading. 3, 2, 1. Okay. And now we're gonna go back to mcreator, and we're gonna be trying to. Also, this new version apparently removed the need for geckolib, which is gonna be really nice for me. So without geckolib, it basically means I can use animated entities and stuff without. Oh yeah. Okay. Wait. Oh, I'm missing a lot of plugins because they just updated. Okay. So I'm gonna go here. Whoa. Okay. Here, let's go to manage plugins, load plugin, downloads, item tooltips, save. Now let's quit it and just reopen it just to get it to refresh. As you can see, these are all my mods that I have for Epic Enchants, and if you want to download Epic Enchants, the link is actually in the description of this video right now. So if you want to go do that, that'll be awesome. Like, that'll be actually crazy. Wait, is it there? What? Incompatible. It's not. Okay. How are we gonna be able to display its? Let's see what I can have here. Travels to dimension. Item is Minecraft. This is a little bit interesting. Let's see. Reddit always has the answer. Oh. Don't tell me I have to actually code. Like, what? It's an NVT tag called. Okay, wait, MBT. Oh, wait, I forgot MBT. I can just search MBT. Okay, wait, so if I just do, MBT. Okay. There's no item for MBT. This is all for entities, additions, item. Okay, wait. Will additions work? I don't know if this is like, because my plugins, I don't know if they're separate. Here, wait, if I go back in here and I do, oh, brother, I'm just opening it. Okay, and if I go into additions, item, okay, entity, they have tooltips, others, iterates, it's gotta be somewhere. Does item match? Okay, custom data number tag. Okay, we'll just keep it at this. We'll figure out a way to like visually represent it to the player. Ooh, wait. What if you can't actually see? Oh, yeah. Okay, so basically what I have written down here is basically um on your sword, like, ooh, wait, I have to do that too. There's a lot of stuff I have written down. I'm sorry, guys. On your sword, there's a here, wait, maybe I can. There's got to be a way I can like show this on. Yeah, yeah, okay. I have an idea. I have an idea. I'm actually a genius. Okay. Now if I do this, and I share, and I airdrop to my computer, I should be able to just show you guys what I have written down in my notebook. So let's see. Yes. Okay. So this is what I have. I know. Okay, handwriting is bad. I know. I know. Let's just not talk about that. Okay. So basically now, this is what I was writing. Whoa. AI can understand what I'm writing? That's crazy. Anyway, so basically I want the souls stored on a weapon, like, so whenever you kill something, the souls are stored directly on a weapon, and that way when the player like will be able to like extract them by shift right clicking a grindstone, like down there. That's what you can see. Shift right click. Sorry, my handwriting's horrible, but just ignore that. So basically, what if they can't see what souls are on their blade? So then when there's like a gambling aspect, because you don't know, like, oh, will it, basically when you get too many souls, it'll like overload and it'll cause an explosion where all your souls will like leave, and it'll damage your sword a lot. So, and it'll deal a lot of damage to you, which is why I thought maybe there's an enchant called Soul Shield, which you can put on your armor, which will help you from that explosion if you're like worried about it. But that's like maybe something I'll add later. Too many souls. Yeah, so I was also thinking maybe like the amount of souls that it can contain is like scales by what the sword is. So let's see. If I do, I don't know how I'd be able to do that, because I have to code a single one for every single sword. Maybe Soul Shield could be put on your swords, and it'll heighten the amount of like souls can be contained in it. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. So I think right now this, I'll just have to do the logic for this. So let me just get a random variable. This should be able to support local variables, right? Number, give soul. Now I can do custom variables, set number. Oh yeah. Okay, wait. I'm gonna do this. Trust, guys, trust. And then math to random integer between. So how about with level 1 it's 1 to 10. With level 2 it is 1 to what's a good number? 6, how about? And then duplicate, and then level 3 is 1 to 3. No wait, I feel like the odds have to be like 50-50 at the end. 10, 6, 2, is that good scaling? Maybe make this one 7? No, I think that's good scaling. It's half. Oh wait. Let's make this 5. 10, 5, 2. Okay. Then it makes it like higher chance that you'll be able to whatever, you know. So now we can get we get another if statement in here. And then if okay, yeah. Sorry, I'm like lagging right now. Give soul, and then we do logic, and let's pop this in here, and let's get a math, and let's put that in there. Let's just set it equal to 1, because that's a good base for all of these, because they're all going to have 1 in them. And then if we're going to set the number of souls to, and now this is where things get a little bit repetitive, because mcreator's annoying, we're going to get custom data number tag of this, then we're going to do math plus math 1, let's do 1, and then let's delete this. And we're going to make sure that this works perfectly. And once it does, hang on a second. Okay, sorry, some stuff came up. Alright, so anyway, as I was saying, we're gonna set this to, this is the soul count. Oh wait, I need to make sure it's like this. So basically what this is gonna do is it's gonna get the current number of souls and then just add 1 to it. So basically all of these, each level is going to determine, I need to fix that spelling, that's actually gonna drive me crazy. I just saw it pop up on the stream. Alright. Alright, there we go. So now basically what this is going to do is with each level of harvesting of the item that the enemy is killed with, if it's level 1, there'll be a 1 in 10 chance to drop the soul. If it's level 2, it'll be a 1 in 5 chance to drop the soul. If it's level 3, there'll be a 1 in 2 chance to drop the soul, which is like 50-50. And then now down here, if it's 1, then you give soul. So basically if it's 1 out of 5, 1 out of 2, 1 out of 10, then it will give the soul to the item. And now I just wish there was a way to like visually represent how this is going to work. Let me see. Okay, this is not gonna work. Let's just delete that. Okay, how are we gonna like access the I'm gonna have to make a procedure that like, oh, I can just print out. Yeah. Okay, wait. And then at the end of all this, we're gonna do world actions. Oh, whatever, something wrong just happened, but it's fine. We don't want to talk about it. There should be able to send chat to all players. Wait, why is that not working? Wait, send. Yeah. Oh, it's that. Wait, what? Okay. Anyway, it's there. Okay, so now here we'll be able to do text, create text with, and then souls. Oops. Okay. Souls, and then let's get the there. All right. And now if we run, this should work. If not, I'm going to be a little bit angry. Bro, who keeps hopping in the stream and leaving? All right. So basically, this add-on to Epic Enchants will be a less vanilla. What? Address already in use. Oh wait, do I just have to build it this way? Oh yeah, I have to agree to the Minecraft EULA or whatever. Yes, I agree. Okay, let's close that. That's annoying. Alright, let's see if this works now. What wrong? Run server. Non-zero try. Oh wait, it's running again. There we go. Okay. That was a little bit buggy. It's fine though. So this should basically, when I have the enchant on my weapon, it should, whenever I kill an entity, print out in the chat what each thing is. Hello, whoever just joined. Thank you for coming. It's been a stressful holiday. Anyway, who cares? Okay, easy. We're gonna make this a super flat world to save my. I need to turn down the volume. Oh, whoever just was viewing left. That's so funny. Okay, ooh, FOV is horrible. We're gonna go music and sounds, master volume. I don't really want any volume and no music. Okay. Alright. So now I should be able to get a harvesting. Yes, okay. As you can see, we have all of our harvesting books. So let's start with harvesting. Let's just do 3 just to test. Alright. Let's get another sword. Let's get an anvil. And then we can. Oops, that's my bad. I'm not using the scroll wheel. Alright, so we got harvesting 3 and the netherite sword. So now I should be able to go to this guy. Souls 1. Okay. Souls 2. Okay, so wait, each time I hit souls 2, 3. See, it's hitting 3. That means that the odds are working. So right now it's a 50-50 because of my enchant. So right now I have 5 souls on this item. It doesn't show it in the tooltip though. I'm gonna turn it in the chat. But now, as you can see in the chat, it's showing like 3. You can see it's a 50-50. 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7. So now it should scale down with a. Let's say if I get harvesting 1, it should not be as common as a other harvesting because that is the way we programmed it. So now, if I hit this, 0 souls. 1 soul. 1 soul. 1 soul. 1 soul. Yeah, okay, good. So that it's scaling down perfectly. Oh, we got lucky, we got a soul. So now I'm just gonna add some particle effects to get a visual representation of how many souls you're like collecting. Like when you pick up a soul, like you're gonna see it leave the entity. So let's code that. And it's gonna save my world, which is annoying because there's nothing to save because I don't want to save anything. Okay, now I go here, harvesting active, and now if it gives a soul, we're gonna do will procedures actions spawn single particle at X. Wait, okay, so when an entity dies, it's gonna spawn. Yeah. Okay, it's gonna be soul. There should be, yeah, there's a soul particle already in the game, which is very useful. So now this should be velocity Y. Do I want velocities? Yeah, sure. Let's try this again. If the client doesn't run, for some reason it only lets me run with the server, which is kind of weird. I hope it's not a bug that'll be like with the mod. I hope it's just a client-side bug. Yeah, see, I have to run. Oh wait, it's building again? Estamos confuso. Okay, I guess I just have to. What does that even do? Evaluate settings. I don't know what this issue is. If anyone that is watching knows what this issue is, please let me know, because that would be very nice to figure that out, because that's been a little bit annoying. Oh yeah, also, I was gonna name it Soulless Expansion, but I feel like Soulbound is better because I might add like Soulbound books later that you can like get enchants that aren't usually in vanilla Minecraft, like the 7 or something, but they're gonna be really hard to get, and you can only get them by like infusing souls into the books that you find and stuff, which would be kind of cool, I think. So I might make a block with infuser with a custom block bench model as well, because I can probably pop that out. And alright, let's see. So now I should have harvesting 1. I might actually get harvesting 3 on this. Can I have multiple harvesting levels? This is a good bug test, guys. Where's, oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, it just upgrades harvesting 3. Alright. So now if I kill a guy, I should be able to see particles spawn up from the of what is happening. So let's see. Souls 4. Souls. Oh, wait. I just saw a little guy. We might have to make it bigger or make more. 5. Yeah, you can't really see it. Maybe I need to. Hold on. I can't really see any particles. Are you seeing anything? We're looking for soul particles. I'm not seeing any though. It's at 12. So if I hit this, it should. 13. I think it like spawns, but it goes way too fast before you can see. So I know we're at 15 souls on this weapon. 15. 15. 15. Okay, wait. Maybe I'm just not. 15. 15. Wait, what? We're getting so unlucky. What? Harvesting 3. 16. 16. 16. 16. Why are we getting so unlucky? 17. Wait, since I first enchanted it with. Wait, that might be a bug. 18, 19. Are you seeing any souls? No, okay. That is so weird. Also, if you're in the chat, could you just send a message in the chat so I know you're like actively watching, because I might need your guys' help later. Yeah, that's weird. Hang on. Let me try this. If I do this and I get harvesting 3 and I put it on this. I know we already had harvesting, I'm just bug testing. And now if I go over here, I should be able to see particles spawning. So right now I'm at 0. This is a different level. 1. Is it like spawning on me or something? Hold on. We gotta test this, guys. 4. 4. I'm not seeing any souls, but it went to 7. Yeah, I think that might be an issue with the actual thing.
Is this yours? Oh, hey, do not crack me in the door.
Hold on, I need to go for a second. People do not understand what streaming means. I literally have like a sign up on my door that says like I'm recording, but like no one really pays attention to that, but that's fine. Alright, so for some reason the particle isn't showing. I guess it might, is it the velocity? Is it going up too fast? Because the particle already like goes up, right? So hold on, let's try something here. I'm gonna make it just spawn more just to see if it's even getting to that part. I'll go to world actions, spawn 5 particles, let's say. Whoa, my computer is lagging. What is open right now? Oh, Java's still open. Huh. Alright. Let's say spawn 10. Let's make it soul. Alright, let's try this one. Once this base version gets out, it should be good to go, which would be nice. Alright, let's see. Build failed, but it's still configuring project. It's still running. That is so weird. I guess it just doesn't like my computer, because it says like we've already used this port or whatever, which is kind of weird. I don't know why it does that. Let's see, if I do Shift Option D, does it switch? Alright, this should be set to main screen. Yep. Alright, let's see if this works. Let me see if my chat also works. Chat test 3. Alright. Single player, let's go back into our loading world. Oh, I heard the sound effect. Let's see if it syncs up to the stream. Hopefully it does. Alright, let's see. So now it should spawn a lot of particles. I'm just checking with the stream real quick. It should spawn a lot of particles. Let's see if it's synced up with the stream. It didn't. Oh, it did. It did. Okay, let's go. It works. Okay. Anyway, sorry. I'm just testing stuff. It should spawn a lot of particles. It's like lag. Why is my game like lagging? Oh, whoa. Oh, wait. Did you guys see that? It's happening too fast. That's what's going on. Why is my game lagging too? Like, what? Yeah, you can see them all, like, they fly away super fast. So, I think what I need to do is make sure their velocity is 0. I wish I could make, like, I need to change, like, particle sizes. Because that would be very nice to do that. Sorry if the stream's lagging also. My computer's a little bit slow today. It's like batteries being sucked up. Alright. Let's see. So it's like speeding. Oh, it's this. An area with speed 0. Alright, wait. 1, 1, 1. Okay. So this should work. It should basically just spawn. Let me actually make this 2 in case it's like a 2 block tall mob. That would be nice. Alright. Also, guys, please make sure you download Epic Enchants. I've been working really hard on it. It's taken a long time, and it would be really nice to get some reward off that. Because if you guys want to see a sneak peek behind the scenes, if I go to revenue, this is pretty cool stuff. I'm actually made 34 cents. Actually, I haven't like made it yet. It's still pending, which means it hasn't like gotten there yet. Once it's in this category, then I'll be able to like get it. But 34 cents off of my mods, and the most popular mod is Epic Enchants, as you will soon see. And yes, you will also see there is here, Epic Enchants. There is this whole line, the blue line, the gay mod. We don't really talk about that. That was a joke mod I put up, and somehow it like blew up at the first bit. Anyway, so as you can see, my highest viewed mod is Epic Enchants. So if you guys could just help with the love and like download it and follow it, it'll help with the algorithm and push it up on the charts. Sorry, that was just a little shameless plug. Alright, once I get this should now summon the correct amount of thingies. Why does it never like it? That's so weird. Okay. Let's see. Let me make sure all my stuff is working. Live. Alright. This should be launching now. Yeah. I really hope this isn't an error with my mod itself. I hope it's not that, because if so, that would be kind of bad. What if I just spam emojis? What? Oh, okay, anyway, alright. Let's load in. Let's max this up. Okay. Now this should work. Okay. Yes. You see the souls? Oh wait, and it stays there, it lingers there for a while too. Wait, see look, see them all? That's when you know I collected souls. That's when you see them all like rising up. Oh wait, maybe if I do this. There's some more. Souls 13, 13, 13, 13. There. You can see them spawning in. I'm also sorry if the stream's lagging. Kind of hard to get everything. Yeah, it's all working. Okay. Okay, so I guess that just shows that you've taken their soul. Like, if I take this chicken... Oh, I didn't get a soul. But that's a big area. I don't know why it's that big of an area. It should not be that big. It's supposed to spawn 10, like... Here, wait. I think that one's soul. Got his soul. See, you can see them all rising, but I only want one, and I want to be, like, prominent. See how, like... They're nice, but they're kind of, like... There's, like... It doesn't make sense to see, like, 20 souls when you only kill one thing. So maybe if I just set it to spawn, like, one, but then I use the other things to, like, specialize where it's spawning. Yeah, I'm really sorry if the stream's lagging. I'm just looking at my phone, watching it. Looks like it's lagging a lot. That's my bad. The internet is lagging a bit over here. Alright, so basically the way I want this, this is a little bit confusing, but I think if I do spawn 1 in area, it should be, like, 0.5... 0.5. Wait, if I just do 0, 0, 0, then it should. Let's just do 1, maybe? Yeah, let's try 1. With speed 0 of type soul. That should make it like a visual representation. Alright, and maybe, ooh, maybe a sound. Oh, yeah. That's what we've been missing. Play sound. What'll be a good, like, sound? Like a good. I mean, I guess we could add our own. I don't know. I might do that later, but for the beta test, I'm gonna try like a, what's like a blaze? No, something that you don't hear a lot. Chat, do you guys know a good sound? What's like a soul, like Enderman? No. What's something like a end portal frame? Ding. It's like a something that sounds like woo. You know what I mean? You guys know what I mean. Heavy core, place, iron trapdoor, ladder, fall, play, lodestone, metal, moss, like a windy kind of, ooh, wait, wind, wait, there's like a wind thing, right? Wind, I want to have like a little, behind it. I don't know if there's anything like that. What would be like a good, wait, if I do entity, I just want to see if there's like a blaze hurt, like grr. That's a good sound though, but I don't know if it's like a, I want a sound that like the players aren't gonna hear that much. I don't know what it would be though. That's the hard part. I don't know what it would be. Very confusing. What would be entity cat hiss? Like, kss, kss, kss. Maybe. Where's it? I'm just gonna look up soul, honestly. Oh, whoa. Break fall place. Particle soul escape. Wait. I don't want to have to open it. Wait. Wait, let's see. Using boots. Oh, wait, so it's like, wait, this is exactly what I need, right? Soul speed. Yeah. Wait, I can change the pitch a little bit too. I'm gonna make it like 0.8. That way it sounds like darker. Okay, that should work as well. So basically, this is the sound that plays when you walk with soul speed on soul soil. Which also, another thing I want to do is when a block is right-clicked, if the player has souls on their, like, sword or whatever, that it'll turn it into, like, here, wait, let me open the image that I have of this, because it'll help out. So, like, when you shift right-click, like, sand, it'll turn into soul sand, and it'll spend some souls, or, like, dirt will turn to soul soil. just so it's a way to get like the stuff from the nether in the overworld without having to go to the nether and all that, because sometimes it's a pain to find stuff for netherwort farms, even though you kind of need netherwort before you can, you know what I mean. It just makes it like, it's just a little detail because it's called soul stuff. I would try to do it with lanterns and stuff, like soul lanterns and soul torches, but I'm not sure if it'll like the placement will right, because I'll use set block command. So if it like the torch is on a wall and I hit set block, I hope it doesn't like spawn it floating in the middle of the void, if you know what I mean. So basically this is the icon that I'll use for the mod. I think I might actually be able to I want to like upload a rather complete version before I like make it. Like, I don't want the beta to just be like what we have right now, like, oh, souls, and you don't know what to use them yet, because I want to, as you can see here, actually you can't see here, oh yeah you can, you'll get like when you use your sword on a grindstone, it'll cost 10 souls, and it'll give you a soulless item. And then you can craft condensed soulless with 9 soulless, and then you can condense hyper soulless with 9 condensed soulless. Then you can craft super soulless with 9 hyper soulless, and then like that stuff you can use to craft like custom books. And I'm thinking if I get like complicated enough, I might be able to make it so that you can, there'll be like a block that's like the soul infuser or something, and with that block you'll be able to craft like custom enchants, and not like custom like, oh, it was made in the mod, like you get to choose like when an entity is hit, do this, and you'll be able to choose that in the game, like you're making your own enchant in the game, which I think would be really cool, but I don't know if I have like the talent for that. I mean, I can try. I might be able to get you guys' help if this like devlog gets more popularity. You guys might be able to help. That would be nice, but if not, I completely understand. Let's see. I want to hear the sound. Oh wait, you can kind of hear it. Wait, let me turn off entity sounds. Hostile creatures. Okay, those are not hostile creatures. Options. These can sound friendly creatures. Alright. Okay, I want to hear. Can you like hear it? Oh, you can see the actual thing spawn. Can you like hear it though? No, you can't really hear it. We'll have to do something louder. I don't know what else could be louder though. But now I have like 40. See in the chat, it says I have 42 on this sword. But if I switch to like another sword, it won't have 42 because it's all custom based on the item itself. So you can see now, whenever I kill something, it'll spawn the soul because it'll be like killed. As you can see, which will be nice because then I can have that just be like a little effect, and then I'm gonna use that particle a lot. So like if I get like a grindstone, basically this is gonna be another important element of the mod, because right now grindstones are kind of useless. But if you look at one and you shift right click, it'll like spawn a ton of particles, and it'll drop one of those items, and it'll take souls from your sword, which will be like a little detail. Yeah, that'll be pretty cool. All right, I think I might end the devlog here. Whoever's watching right now, thank you for watching. I know you probably went out of your way to do this, but I appreciate it. I really do. All right, if I go to workspace, this is what we have so far. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but we spent a lot of good time working on it. I think, let me check the stream. I think we've actually been streaming for like, yeah, almost an hour now, 50 minutes. So we got a lot of work done. We got the base mechanics good, the soul collecting, the harvesting levels of enchantments and everything, which is good. Again, I know this is a shameless plug, but please make sure to favorite and download Epic Enchants. This is like the base mod. You'll need this for Epic Enchants Soulbound. I think you might need it, but I might actually be incorrect. I might be wrong. You can probably just use Soulbound on its own, which, I mean, if you want a less vanilla friendly, like if you want a more modded experience, you can use Soulbound, which is what we're working on now, as you can see right here. And this will be dropping, I think, soon. I think it might be like maybe a week. I'll have Soulbound finished, the beta version, like 1.1 Soulbound finished. If you could get it, that'll be awesome. If not, I completely understand. But that is it for me. Also, if you guys are wondering, this is a real quick thing, why it's on 1.20.1. For some reason, mcreator will not let me use Forge 1.21 because it hasn't updated to use that yet for some reason. I don't know why. I might do some research on it, but I will try to get Epic Enchants Soulbound to 1.21 as well as Epic Enchants the base for you guys, because I know it's like it's not nice because it's like a really old version, 1.20.1, but that's the only version it lets me use, which is really annoying. But it's fine, guys. We're working it out. Okay. So, if you would like to have a vanilla-friendly enchantments mod, I haven't seen a lot of these out there. Make sure to download Epic Enchants. If you do, that would be great. Anyway, that is it for me. I shall see you guys maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. Also, Merry Christmas. It's Christmas Eve, y'all. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's